Symptoms of a bad serpentine belt. A drive belt that powers many components in the engine of a car is called a serpentine belt, sometimes known as a poly-V or multi-rib belt. It gets its name from the fact that it usually fashioned like a snake, reinforced with fiberglass cords, and composed of rubber. Most cars have a serpentine belt that runs in front of the engine block. Well, as you already know, we'll be uncovering the symptoms of a bad serpentine belt. So, without any more delay, let's start. 1. Engine noises. Engine noises is one of the first signs that a serpentine belt is faulty. You should check the serpentine belt if you notice odd screams or high-pitched noises. A worn-out belt or misalignment are the source of the squealing sound. 2. Warning signs on the dashboard. The alternator, which charges the car battery, is powered by the serpentine belt. An improperly functioning serpentine belt may be the source of alternator problems. The dashboard lights up with warnings as the automobile battery runs low. When the battery light shows, you might initially believe that there is an issue with the vehicle's battery. On a deeper look, though, you might discover that the belt is responsible. 3. Heavy steering. The power steering system also requires the serpentine belt to function. You can't maneuver the car with ease if the power steering is not working. It will instead need to be moved with a lot of pressure. That being said, a loss of power steering isn't always a sign of a serpentine belt issue. First, the possibility of low-power steering fluid should be examined. Damaged serpentine belt. Looking at the serpentine belt is one of the most basic ways to see if something is wrong with it. Even without a mechanical background, you can still see the wear through a physical examination. Any signs of cracks, abrasions, separation, or other belt damage shows a problem. Wait a minute. If you're finding value in this video, consider subscribing to our channel. Subscribing ensures you stay in the loop with our latest content. Hit that subscribe button now and let's dive back into the current video. 5. Air condition stopped working. Your car's air conditioning system is powered by the serpentine belt. This belt may be faulty if you are unable to get cold air from the vents. You might think there's an AC problem, but it could be the serpentine belt that's causing the issue since it powers the compressor. 6. Car start overheating. The water pump may alternatively be powered by the serpentine belt. This essential part is required to lower the engine's temperature. A failing belt may no longer run the pump. If the engine overheats, more serious issues might arise. A blown head gasket is another costly repair that can result from an overheating engine. 7. The car stops while driving. The battery cannot be charged if the alternator is not driven by the serpentine belt. The car will stop running as the battery's power runs out. And there you have it, folks. Paying attention to these early signs is crucial to prevent further issues. If you suspect the belt is failing, address it promptly before your battery loses power. Don't miss the opportunity to show your support. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Your engagement motivates us to produce more helpful content. Thanks for watching and drive safe.